Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp and corn chowder step by step. Start by prepping vegetables and shrimp, then heat butter in a heavy pot and sweat onion and celery until soft. Add diced potatoes and corn, then pour in 4 cups of stock and simmer until potatoes are tender. Finish by stirring in cream and shrimp until shrimp turn opaque, then season and garnish with fresh herbs for serving. Start by melting butter over medium heat and sautéing onion and celery until translucent and fragrant to build a rich foundation. Add diced potatoes and corn, then pour in 4 cups of stock and bring to a gentle simmer until potatoes are fork tender. Reduce heat before stirring in 1 cup of cream to create a velvety texture, then keep the pot warm while you prepare the shrimp so they stay tender and juicy. If you're finding this recipe helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple, tasty meals. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes kitchen messes vanish while you cook, and it's a time saver I genuinely appreciate. Check the description for the link and other deals to learn more, then stick around for the rest of the steps. Now let's get back to the video. When your potatoes are tender, lower the heat and add clean shrimp so they cook quickly and remain tender, usually only a few minutes until opaque. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon to balance richness. Stir gently, then garnish with chopped parsley and a light drizzle of olive oil for a fresh finish, and ladle the chowder into bowls while warm for an inviting, comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.